Wow, just like came out here of the house, pulling the dumpsters as the trash pickup came. I didn't realize how cloudy it was and that there were rain clouds. Wow. Looking right over there. That's how it is above the house. I'm sure you can hear the thunder. Wow. As it's the cloud hasn't completely gone over, the sunlight's kind of beaming down on me. I feel the heat. See the breeze. Well, not really see the breeze, but you know, trees moving because it's a little windy out. Man, wow. Didn't even know it was gonna rain today. I ended up finding out about it just recently, about rain on the way, so I was surprised.